Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adyen Customer Area for secure admin access, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Adyen Customer Area. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. You will arrive at the Adyen login page. Locate the email field. Enter your registered email address in this field. Next, move to the password field. Input your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password recovery process. After entering your credentials, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. You may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication process. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once authenticated, you will be granted access to the customer area. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Adyen account. Explore the user interface as needed for your administrative tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.